Hi, Redheads. Dave Tappan here for Red TV and Dave's Red Dog of the Week. And this is Blackie. Blackie is 2 years old. Obviously, a lot of black lab in Blackie. Now, he's probably mixed with something else because he's so calm and so well behaved. Typically, 2-year-old labs, they're a mess. Okay, they've got the attention span of a gnat, but this guy's really, really good. And he's got some manners too. Can you sit, Blackie? And he's strong. He's real strong. If Blackie wants to sit, he'll sit. Attaboy. But he's a really good boy, and he's very strong. Needs an athletic family. Needs to be taken on walks and stuff. But he's ready to go at the Haven Humane Society. Can you believe this good-looking boy does not have a home? Huh? We got to find Blackie a home. Call the Haven Humane Society. He's sneaky too. He's trying to sneak out. Come here, Blackie. Come here, baby. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. And he minds so well. Come here, Blackie. Very good boy. He really is a good dog. I mean, anybody would be just thrilled to have this guy. Call the Haven Humane Society, 241-1653. Yeah, good boy. All right? And give Blackie a home. We'll see you next time on Red TV.